Welcome to today's episode, where we explore a topic critical to industrial safety, Quantitative Risk Assessment, or QRA. This powerful risk management tool has become essential in sectors handling hazardous materials. Today, we'll uncover how Elion Technologies and Consulting Profit Limited transforms QRA into a proactive tool for safety and compliance. Let's begin with a basic question. What exactly is QRA and why is it important?
QRA is a data-driven method used to identify hazards, calculate the probability of incidents like fires or toxic leaks, and evaluate their consequences. It helps decision-makers understand the scale and severity of potential incidents and implement preventive or mitigative actions. It's not just about compliance, it's about saving lives, minimizing downtime, and protecting assets.
That's a great point. What makes Elion's approach to QRA different from others?
Elion's QRA is not a template-based report. We perform detailed on-site visits, collect real-time data, and use advanced modeling tools like FAST, Aloha, and Safety. Our studies comply with Indian and international codes like PESO, OISD, NFPA, and API, and we deliver clear, actionable risk reduction plans. The goal is simple: reduce risk to a LARP as low as reasonably practicable.
Can you share a real case where your QRA study made a significant impact?
Certainly. We conducted a QRA for a large chemical storage terminal. Our modeling identified a high domino effect risk between LPG tanks and loading bays. The client followed our advice, relocated structures, upgraded fire protection, and added emergency systems. As a result, they reduced risk exposure by over 70% and improved insurance compliance.
That's powerful. Which industries or companies should be looking at QRA seriously?
Any operation handling hazardous materials must prioritize QRA. This includes oil and gas terminals, refineries, chemical plants, large warehouses, logistics hubs, and power plants. If there's risk of explosion, toxic gas release, or fire, QRA is not optional. It's essential.
What's the typical duration of a QRA study?
It usually takes between 3 to 6 weeks, depending on complexity. That includes field visits, hazard identification, consequence modeling, and final report submission. If the client has P&ID diagrams and inventory data ready, the process is faster.
Should companies treat QRA as a one-time study?
Not at all. It should be updated whenever there's a change in layout, operations, chemicals, or regulations. Ideally, it should be revisited every 3-5 years as a part of safety lifecycle management.
Are there other services Elion offers in conjunction with QRA?
Yes. We often conduct QRA alongside HAZOP, fire risk assessment, emergency planning, and safety audits. We also help in implementing risk reduction controls, fire water demand calculations, and even employee safety training.
Any closing thoughts for decision makers listening today?
QRA is an investment in preparedness. One serious incident can result in loss of life, lawsuits, and business disruption. A well-executed QRA prevents that. Elion's team is here to help companies move from uncertainty to informed risk management with practical, reliable, and compliant solution.
Thank you for that deep dive. To our audience, QRA is not just a technical requirement. It's your shield against uncertainty. Choose wisely, stay safe. For more information, contact Elion Technologies and Consulting Profit Limited. Email mail@elion.co.in. In website bus http://www.elion.co.in.